Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Meta AI on Instagram. For example, this is my post. There is an AI info label. Generative AI may have been used to create or edit content in this post or on your post, of course. What is generative AI? Generative AI is a type of computer model that has learned data patterns. People can use it to create something new like image or video. Even you can use the AI when you create a Instagram story, for example, and also helping you identify AI generated content. People can add this label when they share content created or edited with AI, and also edit when people share content that has AI signals or systems can read. Content without a label may still have been created or edited with AI, so you can use AI info even the post is already posted. So in order to use this AI info or Meta AI, all you have to do is just update your Instagram via Play Store. You can open your Play Store or App Store and try to search the Instagram and try to update your Instagram into the newest version, into the latest versions. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.